Hi, this is Matt from Capital Granite. Today we're coming to you up here in Midlothian from the community of Stonehenge. And we want to show you a great option today. In lieu of having a kitchen table, you can put in a massive party island in its place. And today we took really what is an entire slab of Sienna Bordeaux for this island, and it shows the beautiful movement in this stone all throughout the island. Now, one technical point we want to make is when you have something this big with this large of an overhang is proper support. We have two posts here put in by the homeowner and then some massive hidden brackets underneath to support this natural stone. Another feature of this stone is that throughout the stove run you continue to see that movement over here. And then the kitchen culminates in a great beverage center in the corner. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please like and share, #CapitalGraniteRVA.